Good morning, weirdos. What's going on, guys? Hope everybody's feeling good. Hope everybody's excited about opportunity. All right, we're going to talk about some things, guys. I have a very, very interesting live stream happening today at 1 p.m. Central. I got some cool things I'm going to break down in terms of Bitcoin's price, where I think it's going next, why I think it's going. There are a lot of comparisons to stuff like 2017. You're going to want to be there for every little bit of it. Also, guys, real quick, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Storage Wallet, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. Get yourself one today. I have mine. You're going to want to get yours. Do not trust these exchanges with your money. Link down below for a fantastic deal. All right, let's get into it, guys. Let's see what's going on in the wide world of crypto this morning. Jasmy down 5.5% on the day, 27 on the week, 37.5 on the month, and 41.5 on the year. We're even in rank at 87, a $655 million market cap, 95 million in volume. Swift coin down 7% on the day, 30.5 on the week, 56 on the month, but up 100% on the year, down 6 spots in rank to 282, a $118 million market cap, 6 million in volume. XCN down 1.5% on the day, 35.8 on the week, 53.6 on the month, but up 423 on the year. We are up 6 spots in rank to 123, a $413 million market cap, 79 million in volume. And ZBEC is actually up 1.8% on the day, up 1.4 on the week, 69.5 on the month. We're up 7 spots in rank to 306, a $103 million market cap, 34 million in volume. All right, let's go look at some charts. See what's going on Bitcoin's chart, first of all. All right, guys. So I've been telling you guys this for, 2 weeks now, something like that, right? And for some reason, people keep saying I was wrong. But anyway, I digress. We're ignoring haters from now on. If you hate on the channel, if you put derogatory comments in the comment section out of anger, we're just going to block you from the channel moving forward. We're not even going to respond to you. You're not going to get acknowledgement. You'll just be blocked, and you will then miss out moving forward on any valuable content that we put out. So choose your words very wisely. We're not here to be your punching bag. All right. So Bitcoin wicked back down inside our golden pocket here, sitting at 80,000 even. Now, I've been telling you guys this for, like I said, a little over 2 weeks now, guys. Little over 2 weeks, right? What I think we're going to do here is, and I'm going to do a deeper dive into this on the live stream this afternoon, so make sure you guys are there for that, right? Is that we're going to come down right about right inside this box here. We're going to come inside that box there, okay? 68 to 69K. I've been telling you guys that 69K was a probability if we started closing daily candles below this yellow line, which is why this line is yellow compared to the other ones, right? I put it in about 2 weeks ago. So we're continuing to close daily candles below there. My guess is we're probably going to close this candle down a little bit lower than we are right now, below 80K, which is going to cause another candle like this one to happen in short order, sometime maybe tonight or tomorrow, maybe push to Wednesday, but we're going to see another candle like this. So here's my plan, guys, okay? A couple things you have to take note of before you go into panic selling mode and stuff like that. Okay, so listen up. One, this fall, that's not going to be straight down, but I'm just, for lack of, I'll do this. This fall, right there, is not going to be long-lived, okay? If we come down and we touch 68, 69K, it's not guaranteed we will. I think we are coming into the low 70s, though. But if we come down to this low, okay? So what's the significance? Well, this is the previous all-time high from the last bull run, okay? So if we come down there, I do not believe we will be here long at all, right? I think it will be pretty quick recovery back out before we start setting a support level around where we came from. Okay, that's what I kind of think is going to happen. So we may come down here, but it's not going to be long. It's not like we're going to be down here for months and months and months. Okay, so if we come down here, this is going to be a crazy buying opportunity for you. Okay, before we start to work our way back to the upside. So what I'm going to do at this point in time, I'm going to pause my DCA until we get down around 74, 75K, right? Once we get down around here, I will start to DCA again. I'll probably go pretty heavy into Bitcoin at those levels, and I will be mass accumulating my altcoins at those levels. So I'm going to pool my dry powder between now and then. I would say that it would be a good idea. I'm not your financial advisor. Can't tell you what to do, guys, right? I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So if I was working a job, a 9 to 5 or whatever, 2 jobs, whatever it is, for dry powder, I would be working as much overtime as I could right now. I would be trying to collect as much dry powder as I could while I still have time, because you still have a little bit of time, so that when we do come down, I can take advantage of the situation. Because I can tell you right now, a drop down to an area like this is a lot less painful when you have dry powder to deploy. Then it's actually exciting instead of depressing, right? But if you haven't saved any dry powder, if you haven't worked any overtime or anything like that, then yeah, coming down into this area can suck, right? It can suck. It's like when one of your favorite things goes on sale at Walmart and you have money, you're like, yeah, you're excited, you're happy. But when your favorite thing at Walmart or wherever goes on sale and you don't have no money, it's not that great that it's on sale, right? So perspective is everything. That's why I'm telling you guys ahead of time. I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom here, right? I'm letting you know in advance. Get some dry powder, okay? I don't want to hear anybody angry and complaining at me down here that they don't have no dry powder. I'm telling you right now, you have time, you have opportunity, get some dry powder for yourself so that you are able to take advantage of the situation. And I know, there will be people out there when we come down here that for some reason will say, you were wrong. So I want to be clear. I didn't say we were going to 169,000. I said we were going to 69,000. Am I speaking English to you? But they won't. They'll think that for some reason, out of anger, they'll accuse me of being wrong, even though I'm telling you we're going down, not up. We'll go down and they'll say, you were wrong. It makes no sense, but it is what it is, right? Anyway, so that's what I'm seeing here on Bitcoin. Once we get through all of this mess, and I will show you, I have an explanation for this that I'm going to break down in the live stream this afternoon. I'm going to go further into detail of why I know how I know it's going down to that level and everything. Okay. So you're going to want to be there for every little bit of that. So anyway, and yes, guys, altcoins are going to bleed. They are going to bleed. They're going to go lower. It's going to happen. Okay. So we've lost our structure for the most part on Jasmy here. So we're going lower. Will we break below a penny? Who knows? I don't think so. But if Bitcoin goes down to 68, 69, then it's definitely possible. A lot of these altcoins will hold strong on their support levels, right? But some won't. You'll have the odd one that will break down. So again, it's really up to you. But projects like XCN here and Swift, they would have to fall pretty far to break down outside of its of the structure that it's in right now, right? Like I said before. So Swift still in XCN still in good shape. We go over to Swift Coin. What the heck's going on with Swift Coin here? It's not loading for some reason. Okay, Swift's chart won't load, so. All right, Swift doesn't want to load, so we'll just show ZBEC for now. So ZBEC fell back down below this resistance level 20141. We're still on the breakout of this of this falling wedge pattern here, but I did tell you guys when we were up here last night, go back and watch the video, that we were likely going to fail to break past here and come back down inside of this structure because there's no volume. That's how I knew there's no volume, right? So yeah. And Swift is exactly the same as Onyx coin here. They seem to be running parallel pretty tight, right? Again, with Swift coin here, it would have to fall quite a bit more to fall outside of this structure. So that's a good thing. Same thing with XCN. So very, very similar. We'll stay on top of that. All right. So we went a little bit longer on the explanation for Bitcoin than I had planned, but all right. So Magic Power says this concept aligns perfectly with Jasmy's vision of decentralized AI computing through Janction. By utilizing idle GPU resources via proof of resource and proof of task, Sony PlayStation or any consumer devices could be parts of a global decentralized supercomputer. Supporting AI training, scientific research, and high-performance computing with Jasmy's expertise in IoT data, sovereignty, and blockchain-powered edge computing, integrating gaming consoles, PCs, and other devices into this ecosystem would revolutionize AI accessibility and decentralized infrastructure. Gamers would just play, they wouldn't just play, sorry, they would actively contribute to the future of computing. Janction's podcast now live. Tune in for the first one. There you go. So guys, listen, make sure you shoot Magic Power a follow over on X, community contributor, friend of the channel. Absolutely all of the best. Guys, so listen, we ran a little bit longer than I had anticipated with the Bitcoin explanation. So we will do the chain XCN explanation in an afternoon video today. How DAOs are reshaping corporate governance, guys. Very important for XCN protocol, okay? So make sure you guys are here for that. And listen, guys, if you're going through a hard time, if you're struggling, join our community, guys. We have over 1,900 people over there. We are there to support you. We are there to help you through these hard times, to have an explanation as to what's happening, what's going to happen. Last night, we were doing a live stream while everybody else was panicking all over Twitter and YouTube. We were doing a live stream over on the Patreon. Everyone was in a great mood. Everyone was happy, excited. They were DCAing, filling their bags. Nobody was panicked. Nobody was panicked. And I had a perfectly good explanation as to why we dumped so hard yesterday, which we explained over on the Patreon. It actually has to do with China's economy, which is why we dumped so hard yesterday. You never saw anyone else talking about it on X or on YouTube or anything because they weren't paying attention. They didn't know, right? So if you want to be in the know about what's happening with markets, why they're crashing, why they're doing what they're doing, make sure you get over to the Patreon, guys. We drop one new gem video over there as well every single day. If you want to get in early on gems, now is the perfect time to be getting in early on these small cap, high utility, great tokenomic play projects, guys. We got over a 3,000% return on XCN by doing what we do, right? Do you really want to miss out on those opportunities for the price of a Happy Meal, guys? It is well worth it. So get over there, guys. Get involved. Check out our gem videos we do every single day. Join our live streams over there. Get the help and the backup and the support that you need from a community of over 1,900 people. We have open mic nights on Fridays, which are like a friggin' party, right? Everyone has a blast. And on top of all that, you can book your one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, where I can help you with your portfolio, because a portfolio is like a fingerprint, you guys, right? It's not, you can't, a lot of these other content creators, they just throw out cookie cutter plans for everybody in their Discords and their Patreons. It doesn't work that way, guys, right? You need a personalized touch for your portfolio, for your exit plan, for your profit-taking strategy that fits you and your portfolio. Not some cookie cutter plan, you know, cut and paste, give it to everybody. That's lazy, right? We don't do that here. So get involved, guys. Join the community. The link is down below for that. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys in the next one.